Hey y'all, so today I'm doing like some small Marley twists. So I already twisted up my hair the night before using a butter. Well, actually it was 2 nights before because I wasn't able to the next night. What I decided to do was keep the twists and I'm gonna use them as sections. So I already have a middle part. So all I'm doing is just clipping up all my twists. I'm clipping up the front first. Actually, I wanted to do the front first and the back last. So we can actually start here with this section here. I'm just gonna free part each section. So before I do that, I'm using this Marley hair. I brought a lot. I don't know how many pieces I'll need, but we'll see. So this hair was already open from another video, but I'm going to use the remainder. So each bundle comes with the strands like this. So I'm just going to separate them and put them on my thread rack. I'm putting one strand per post because I'm doing one strand per twist, so they're small size. This part might take a while, but it's easy to separate them. They're not like nappy. So I'll show you the rack. I'm gonna try to fill up the whole rack. So this is the thread rack. I'm finished. I don't know if I'll need more. I probably will. I think this thread rack holds 60 strands. So this is 62. Actually, there's 2 extra here. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is one twist and it's going to be one section that I'm going to free part with my finger. So I'm just going to separate all this. Okay, so I'm going to make them like this size. So I'll pull that out and then clip up the rest of that section. I'm using jam to hold the hair. I put just a little bit on my fingers. Okay, this is the strand. So I can split this in half, line up one side of my hair with the other side of the other strand. Twist it tight here, then collapse into itself. Single leaf twist for a little bit and then switch over to regular 2-strand twisting to go faster. And I'm coming towards my natural ends here. So I'm going to take some more jam and twist it with the jam. A little bit more. The camera is dying, of course. So I'm just going to keep 2-strand twisting all the way down. And the ends, I'm just going to do it like this and then they'll look fine. I might dip them in hot water to seal them. But yeah, so this is the first one. That's one way to install it, and let me show you another way. Free parting once again. Taking one strand, some jam, maybe not too much. Okay, this time I'm gonna loop the strand on top, twist it at the root or cross it, whatever, then start braiding. Try to get flyaways out the way. Okay, stop when your strand is the third one in the middle, separate it, then 2-strand twist it the rest of the way. We're coming up on the ends, so you want to take some jam, smooth it on your ends, and then twist down. Keep twisting. This way looks better to me. So this is how the braided one looks. This is how the twisted one looks. So yeah, I'm gonna braid them all. Okay, so this is that one section. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it took like 10 minutes, I guess. Alright, so now I'm just gonna keep doing the rest of this. Hey y'all, so I have most of the front done. Now I'm at the very front. So like I said, I was using the giant chunky twist as my guide this whole time. So this is the last section. Okay, so a section like this I split in half and I'm gonna make it 3 parts. I'm also on the second pack of hair. So like I opened a second pack of 3 bundles and put them all on the rack. I think the bundles like all three total have 70 pieces or 72, probably 72 since it's 3 bundles. Yeah, it's probably 24 strands per bundle. So they do take time, but I mean, I made sure I picked a day where I had time to do this. Like, I kept pushing this out. I was supposed to do this on a Saturday, but I had to work, and I think I also was gonna try to do this on a Friday, but it was just too much. I knew I wouldn't be able to do it on Friday. I'm so happy I'm almost done. Well, almost done the front. I can't wait until these are done. These are gonna be so pretty. This is my favorite hairstyle. I'm not even done yet. It's my favorite. It just takes so long. Like, something like this, I want to leave in for 2 weeks. Like, nobody want to take this out? Oh yeah, then I gotta take this out. I'm gonna do that. Choking on stuff. Get your shirt, social distancing. This is from Shein. Are you guys okay? My phone stand hit the camera stand. Yeah, this is from Shein. I don't have a lot of graphic shirts. I was trying to get some. All of my shirts are solid gray, black, navy, red, white. I don't have like cute sayings and stuff, or like just the graphic. I try to braid, I try to twist fast. But it's only so much I can do. Yeah, now the back, I am making them parts a little bigger because I don't have time for this whole back. Like, no. I don't know if I showed y'all what I do to the ends, but the ends, I just borrow each other and then singly twist it and then just let it be. I said let it borrow each other. What kind of explanation? All right, let's put this on TikTok. All right, so I'm done the front. Ooh, they look pretty. They are pretty. So now I gotta do the back. Do the back. Now I gotta do the back. Oh. All right, I don't know how I'm doing this back. I might do like 3 per thing because I gotta go. I got an event to go to. Okay, y'all, I just finished. Okay, this is how it looks. You know, like I said, I did the back parts bigger, but they still look nice. Okay, so I'm done. So yeah, this is my favorite style. I'm gonna do some hairstyles later, not right now because I gotta go. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Yeah, y'all, so this is how the finished results look. Very sleek, lightweight. I love the roots, and then I just love how fluffy they are. So I did some hairstyles with these twists. So on the 2 sides, I pulled out 2 twists, and then I put my hair into like a low ponytail. And then after that, I just took like 1/2 of the ponytail, rolled it up, and then tucked it into the like scrunchy part. And then after that, I took the other half and did the same thing, rolled it up into the scrunchy part. And then I like tried to mush them together to like make them one bun. So yeah, so this is the hairstyle number 1. So here's number 2. I'm going to leave down 1 twist on both sides. And now I'm going to use a large scrunchie and put my hair up into a high ponytail. And just make sure I get all the twists in there. And then I'm just going to bring it up. Make sure like the ponytail is situated near my forehead, really. I like to let the twist hang forward. And then I'm going to grab some twists and wrap the base of the ponytail until the scrunchie is hidden, and to just clean up the pony style look. And then I'm just going to like fluff out the twist up top. So this is hairstyle number 2. So cute. So now we're moving on to hairstyle number 3. And this one, you're going to need a middle part. And then you're going to leave out 2 twists in the front. You're going to grab up one side and you're going to take a few twists and wrap them at the base of that ponytail. Just keep wrapping until you run out and tuck the ends underneath. And then that's it. So it's like a cute little 2 ponytail hairstyle. Alright, and here's the last one. You're going to need a scrunchie with your hair up into a very high pony, like near your forehead. Let it like lay over your head. Use a stretchy scarf, and you're going to wrap it on your head like this. Flip your ponytail over, and now you want to make sure it covers your ears, and then you just want to wrap around the base of the ponytail and this gives you like the poetic justice hairstyle look. This is actually my favorite. So thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more of my channel like this, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.